Hello everyone, welcome back to Writing Practices. In today's video, we're breaking down the employment termination letter, a critical document for handling professional transitions. If you're an employer, writing this letter properly ensures clarity, compliance, and professionalism. Let's walk through it step by step to make sure you're covered. Sender's contact information. Start with your contact information at the top of the letter. For example, your name or company name, your address, city, state, zip code, email address, phone number. This section identifies who the letter is from, ensuring the recipient knows exactly where it's coming from. Use a professional format with your full name or your company's details. If you're sending this as part of HR, be sure your company logo or letterhead is included for an official touch. Date. Include the date the letter is written. For instance, date, month, day, year. This may seem like a small detail, but it's crucial for record keeping. The date serves as an official timestamp for when the termination was communicated. If there's any dispute, having this clearly stated can help avoid confusion. Recipient's contact information. Next, address the recipient. For example, employee's name, their address, city, state, zip code. Include the employee's full name and current address. Double-check this information to ensure it matches your HR records. This attention to detail is important, especially if the letter needs to serve as a legal document. Subject line. Clearly state the purpose of the letter in the subject line. For example, subject, notice of employment termination. The subject line sets the tone for the letter. Be clear, concise, and professional. Avoid vague wording. This is not the place to soften the message. A straightforward subject ensures there's no misunderstanding about the nature of the letter. Salutation. Start the letter with a respectful greeting. For example, Dear employee's name. Whenever possible, address the employee directly by name. This small gesture adds a touch of professionalism and respect, even in difficult circumstances. Opening paragraph. Notification of termination. Here's where you communicate the main message. For example, this letter serves as formal notification of the termination of your employment with company name, effective specific date. This decision was made after brief explanation of the reason, such as a review of your performance, changes in company structure, or violation of company policies. In this section, get straight to the point. Clearly state that the employment is ending, the effective date, and a brief reason if appropriate. While being transparent is important, keep this explanation concise and professional. Avoid excessive details that could lead to misunderstandings or disputes. Second paragraph. Final paycheck and benefits. Let the employee know what they can expect in terms of final pay. For example, your final paycheck, including any accrued but unused vacation time or other owed benefits, will be provided to you by specific date or indicate it will be enclosed. Optional. Mention severance pay if applicable. This paragraph outlines how and when the employee will receive any remaining compensation. Be specific about timelines, and if severance pay is offered, mention it here. Providing clear information helps to reduce uncertainty during a challenging time for the employee. Third paragraph. Return of company property. Address the return of company property. For example, please return all company property, including list items such as keys, equipment, or documents, by specific date. Failure to do so may result in state potential consequence, if any. Make sure to list any items the employee needs to return. Setting a clear deadline and explaining any consequences for failing to comply ensures the process is smooth and minimizes potential complications. Fourth paragraph. HR contact and transition support. Offer a point of contact for questions or concerns. For example, we recommend that you contact name of HR representative at contact information to discuss your final paycheck, benefits, and any other questions regarding your termination. They will also assist you with any paperwork or procedures related to this transition. This section shows empathy while maintaining professionalism. By offering a clear contact person, you're signaling that the employee is not left to navigate this transition alone. It's a thoughtful gesture that can help preserve goodwill. Closing paragraph. Wrap up the letter with well wishes. For example, while this decision was not made lightly, We wish you success in your future endeavors. Please feel free to reach out if you need additional documentation or assistance during this period. End on a professional and positive note. Even in termination, expressing goodwill can help maintain a respectful relationship and avoid unnecessary conflict. Sign off. Close the letter formally. For example, sincerely, period. Your full name. Your job title. A professional closing ensures the letter remains respectful and official. If you're representing a company, signing off with your title reinforces the authority behind the decision. Attachments, if applicable. Don't forget to include any relevant attachments. For instance, attachments, if applicable, list any relevant documents, such as final paycheck details, benefits information, or company policies. Attachments are a key part of the letter. Whether it's a benefits statement or final paycheck details, these documents provide clarity and ensure the employee has all the information they need. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide helped you understand how to write a professional employment termination letter. If you found this useful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more writing tutorials. Good luck with your writing, and I'll see you next time.